ABIJAH Always presents 7 amazingly easy ways to whiten your teeth. Number 1. Baking soda. Well known for its whitening properties, baking soda is used in most store-bought toothpaste. Baking soda will prevent bacteria and plaque buildup, which will not only whiten your smile, but freshen your breath. Due to being a coarse substance, it's known to scrub away stain buildup on your teeth. Number 2. Oil pulling. A well-known Indian remedy, oil pulling will not only whiten your smile, but is found to be healthy for you as well. Oil pulling has been found to eliminate gum throbbing and eliminate bacteria growth. Simply swish and spit with any food grade oil in your mouth and remember to rinse out. Number 3. Hydrogen peroxide. Because of its bleaching properties, hydrogen peroxide will kill active bacteria in your mouth and avoid further buildup. This is the reason as to why many store-bought toothpaste use it as an active ingredient. Simply dilute it in water and swish it prior to brushing your teeth. In no time at all, you'll notice the amazing results. Number 4. Avoid staining foods and drinks. Be cautious and try to avoid soda, coffee, dark berries, and red wine, for these foods are well known for causing tooth stain. Like anything, in moderation, these type of foods and drinks can still be enjoyed with little worry. Worst case scenario, it has also been proven that simply swishing water after eating can help in avoiding tooth stain. Number 5. Fruits and vegetables. Many fruits and vegetables are known for their tooth and mouth cleaning properties. Bananas, for example, have been scientifically proven to aid with their bleaching properties in the whitening of teeth. Pineapples, for example, carry special enzymes known to brighten your smile. There are many other fruits and vegetables known to do the very same thing. Simply pick your favorite. Number 6. Brushing your teeth. Like anything, a little care and maintenance will always be the best of ways to clean your teeth. Brushing helps buffer and shine your teeth for that perfect pearly white smile. Brushing also stimulates blood flow to the gums, making teeth stronger while avoiding plaque buildup. Number 7. Apple cider vinegar. For centuries, apple cider vinegar has been known as a natural cleaning agent and also a disinfectant. Vinegar has antibacterial properties that help with whitening your teeth and cleaning your mouth. The main active ingredient, lactic acid, is known to effectively kill bacteria. Use similar to mouthwash. Ensure you dilute with water and don't forget to rinse with water once done. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. God bless.